kids, and I wanted to share with you a real quick unboxing video for some products that were sent to me that I think you guys are gonna love. It is the new Unconditional line from Rosie's studio. Here's like a drive-by. See? It's pretty gorgeous. So let's start with this paper pack. I could just stop right here for a long time. I love this sort of abstract floral with the gold outlines. This is really beautiful. Here's a little sneak peek at all the bits, but let's go ahead and open it up real quick. If you're not familiar with Rosie's studio, you definitely should be. It's a company out of New Zealand, and I've purchased their products a few times, and I just find them to be so well designed and really well thought out. I've ordered directly from their website, and they ship super quick, which is always something that I think we all value. So anyway, let's take a look at this Unconditional collection. Like I said, this paper, my mind just spins when I look at this, and this is one that I inherently want to hoard because I love it. So there's that. These are one-sided. Okay, and then here's this. It's got that same floral motif with some cool stuff going on in the background. Here's a heart with kind of a cool yellow and white, really pale in the background. This is fun, kind of a diagonal diamond. I just love the color scheme. I really love the bright white. Here's a pink gingham. This floral also, I love a black and white floral. And this one again has kind of a very pale yellow print in the background. Here's another with gold foil, and it's some polka dots. There's also some tone-on-tone pink ones and white. This is super cute and very fun. It's got some really small little dogs. Cute. Here's a gold foil star. This one is really cool. It's a pretty small repeating XO. And this is great, just a small scale kind of green print, and it kind of fades in and out from a darker shade to a real light shade. This is so unique. I really like this one. It's a slightly more off-white background, but with some really pretty, like, kind of wildflower design. This is great, can function almost as a solid, but with just a little bit more interest. It's a pink with almost like a sort of a damask print. Here's a really cool leaf with some neat outlining. Oh man, I love this. This is so usable, but it's like music paper with some lyrics. Another one of those that could almost function as a solid, which I think these are so usable as backgrounds for layouts, but it's a real peachy tone with tiny little white marks. Like the dogs, but better. This is awesome. It's a very small scale, but it's lots of like different women, all different skin tones and hairstyles and facial expressions. Like I really love that. Here's a really cool, teeny tiny little heart print. This is super fun, especially for Happy Mail. It's just an envelope. Let's see. I think I kind of, yeah. When I turn it this way, most of them are going the right way. So that one's really fun. And the last paper, also super small scale and so cute. Look at all those lips. I love that. So here are the papers. Let's see how many were in there. Okay, so there's 20 sheets, 20 different designs, 3 of which are foiled. So there's the papers. Also, they have a 6x6 paper pad, and let's open it up. But it looks to me like 40 sheets, 20 designs, and 6 foils. So if I do the math on that, I'm thinking it's all these same ones in a smaller scale and 2 of each. Yes, oh, look at that, love it. And these are fairly lightweight paper, which doesn't bother me at all. It's pretty usable in terms of, like, say you were wanting to make some small envelopes, or you know, anything kind of small and intricate where you fold the paper. This slightly lighter weight paper I think is really good for that. So yeah, I think all the same prints, but they're all, it looks like they're all scaled down in size. So I love that. Super fun. Okay, next we've got Chipboard Embellishments, 2 sheets. So we've got some frames, some banners, some little fishtail banners. Love is in the air. Pardon me, February 14th, I love you. Fill today with love. I get the feeling that there's a couple different ways that you could use this collection, which I think makes it really usable, but it almost presents as like, well, very much a love theme, but almost like a wedding vibe to it, which to me isn't, like, I wouldn't buy a wedding collection that was specifically wedding, because I just don't, that's not something I use a lot. But I love that this can be used in a ton of different ways, because it's not specifically a wedding collection, but it could be used in that way, which I think is awesome. On the back side, the little dog with heart eyes. We got a poodle. I love this little envelope that says love enclosed, hugs and kisses, you're the best. All of this super versatile and very usable. Next, oh my gosh, the Puffy Stickers. Love these little flowers, tickets, hearts, hot air balloons, even smaller hearts, cute little banners, larger hearts, little circles with hearts, connected hearts, more of just the same size of puffy hearts, little envelopes, which I love, and then these little kind of arrow banners. These are great. I mean, who doesn't love Puffy Stickers? And look at that color palette. It's just so usable right now with the pale kind of pinks and the mints and a little bit of aqua. There's some yellow. I love that there's hits of black and a little bit of almost like a khaki beige, and just really, really awesome. And I'm so excited to start working with this. Okay, so here we've got a sticker embellishment pack, 4 sheets, and it shows you right there on the back what's included, but let's get it out of this packaging and take a look. Okay, so the first one is a lot of sentiments and some flowers. These are those same flowers from that first paper that I really loved. So yeah, so usable. Friends always, yours truly, meant to be, we love you. Like, this to me presents as something that I would maybe want to use for card making. So I like that. And this, look how much they've packed on there. It's like 100 stickers on this one sheet. Super cute, the puddles. Oh, I love this. That's 2 hands like holding pinkies with a heart. That's a really neat image, not something that you see very often. And these butterflies are very cute. Your friendship means so much to me. I've loved you from the day I met you. You leave paw prints on my heart, and I think about you all the time. Really lovely sentiments. Okay, and then this one is a lot more word strips, and almost kind of like some washi strips and some banners. Really great. These are so fun to work into projects. And then the last page is some gold foil kind of big letter stickers, and then down here some tile stickers in the different colors that coordinate with the collection. Okay, cool. Okay, I could really use 3 or 4 of these, so I could hoard 2 or 3 of the gemstones. There's 72. The colors are so pretty. It's a mint, almost like a robin's egg blue, kind of an aqua. This is like a pale blushy peach, and then a little bit more of a bubblegum pink. And I love that there's 3 sizes, the small, the medium, and the large, and they have the little gold flecks in them. I love that. Oh, these foam glitter stickers. These are, wow, they're perfect size. I love thickers with sentiments, but sometimes I find that they're almost a little too big, but these are they're just sized right. We got forever, XOXO, love, always, hello, love, love, sweet, you, smile. And then there's lots of hearts, an and sign, and some leaves in there. I love that. Perfect. And this, oh my gosh, you guys, so cute. These little dimensional embellishments. There's 6 of them here. So it looks like we've got like a gold banner that's popped up, and then a little attached sentiment that they've tied at the edge. This is something obviously that you could hand make, but you know what? I don't. I usually just, they're quite small and a little bit intricate and fussy. And the fact that they've done this for you, I love this. This might be my favorite product from the collection. We've got Follow Your Heart, Love You More, Thinking of You, Crazy for You, Always in My Heart, You Complete Me, True Friendship, Love You Girl. Lots of fun sentiments, and I love this idea. Oh, okay, here we got a stamp set. Look at this big heart made out of flowers. Wow, that's really fun. That would be fun to stamp and even do a little bit of coloring. I don't do much of that because I'm not very good at it, but that would be fun. Another heart, or I'm sorry, there's 2 hearts, another little flower, Love You Always, and then lots of other little typewriter font sentiments. Okay, so then we've got journal cards, 24 pieces. We've got them all right here. They're 24 double-sided journal cards. They're all 3x4. So let's see what's in here. Let's see. Oh, these are fun. The most beautiful moments in life aren't just with you, but because of you. Looks like 2 each. So let's lay them out real quick. You lift me up. That's fun. Again, I think that might be my favorite image from the collection. It's just very unique. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. Cute. Thinking of you. Oh, I love that. A friend is someone like you, loving, caring, so sweet and true. You're the one who makes my heart smile. Oops. On this ride together. Oh, this is very cute. I like sometimes when you get some journaling prompts like that. Ah, pretty. All of me loves all of you. Cute. Look at that, friends, no matter what. Super cute. So that's the journaling cards. And here is definitely my second favorite part of the collection. And this is, let's try to get it down. It looks like 50 pieces. And I believe this is all floral die cuts. Yes. Ugh. Man, give me all the flowers, always. Look at these, gold foiling on a lot of these. So fun to make clusters. Wow. This is so fun to play with. I can't wait to get started. on some sort of project. Look at that. I love it. Lots and lots of gold foiling on these. And it looks to me like we might be getting 2 of each one. I'm not sure. I wasn't paying really close attention, but it might be. Okay, loving those. And then we've got Veneer Embellishments, 42 pieces. And I'm not going to open them, but there's all the images. I really like these. I haven't done it a lot lately because it's just my wood veneer is over there, not here at my desk, but I do love working in this texture. It's so different and unique, and I think it can really add a lot to a project. Okay, and then finally, the last thing is the die cut shapes. 152 pieces. As always, one of my favorite things about Rosie's studio is that these die cut packs always include 2 of each design. So generally when I open a pack like this, I will go through and separate them into 2 piles. I'll put one back in here and it's like my reserve, and then I'll use the other one to choose from. And it almost gives me, in some really weird way, permission to use up what I have out, as opposed to hoarding it because it's pretty. So I'm not going to pull all of these out, but here is what we're looking at. Lots of cute stuff, tags, tickets, some frames, lots of really lovely icons. Oh, I love this. Some word strips, word banners. There's a lot of good stuff in here. 152 pieces, so divide that by 2, and I mean, we're talking over 70 images. Twice. So, okay, so that is the collection, and I'm really excited for this. There's so much that you can do. This is a really on-trend and lovely and usable color palette. And what I love is that there's some really cool products in here. The stamp, the dimensional embellishments, the glitter stickers. There's a lot to play with. So I'm gonna get started and I will share with you what I come up with. Thanks, guys.